Hello everyone. Now we will start with this topic, which is how to remove items from a list. To remove items from a list, use the delete command. For example, to remove this sixth item in the my cart. So you know which is the sixth item in the list? It is grapes. This is our list in which we have this much of fruits: mango, apple, orange, pineapple, watermelon, and grapes. We will use a delete command, which is del with the variable, and as we are removing sixth item, so we will run this command and see the output. Command is like del my card in square bracket 5 and print my card. Now you can see there is no grapes in the output. We will now see the list arithmetic. We can join list by adding them, just like adding numbers using a plus sign. For example, suppose we have a two list. List 1 containing the number 1 through 4 and list 2 containing some words. We can add them using the print statement with the plus sign like this. So this is list 1 having numbers and list 2 is having countries. List 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and the list 2 is having this Singapore, America, Australia and India. Now run the command, which is print list 1 plus list 2. You see its output showing both numbers and countries. We can also add two lists and set the result equal to another variable. List 1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and list 2 is equal to Singapore, America, Australia and India. Now the list 3 is the addition of list 1 and list 2. If you run the command, you will get the same output like above. But here we used one more variable, which is list 3. So now I'll type print list 3. So it will display this output 1, 2, 3 with the country's name. Also, we can multiply a list by a number. For example, to multiply list 1 by 5, we write like this: list 1 into 5. This list 1 is having 1 and 2 numbers. Now we will run like this. List 1 should be displayed 5 times. Here is the command to do it. Print list 1 into 5. It will display 1 and 2 numbers 5 times. This is telling Python to repeat the list 1 5 times, and this is the result. We tried with the multiplication, but if you want to do the division and the subtraction, it will give the error message. So you can just try and check it.